We'll guide you through how to download and install Google Chrome on your laptop or computer. If you find this guide helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing. To get started, open any web browser on your computer. In this case, you can use Microsoft Edge. Once the browser is open, search for Google Chrome. Make sure you open the official Google website at google.com. On the site, click the Download Chrome button. You may see an option for automatic settings. Feel free to leave it as default or turn it off. After clicking Download, the file will start downloading. If you're using Edge, you can find the download in the top right corner. You can also open File Explorer, go to the Downloads folder, and locate the Chrome installer. Open the file to begin installation. You may see a Windows security prompt. Approve it to continue. Once the download finishes, Chrome will install automatically and open on its own. If you've used Chrome before, you may already be signed in. If not, simply log in to your account. That's it. Your browser is ready to use. If this helped, don't forget to like the video.